Toyo Tires Treadpass.
Nice little square body.
Dude, it never fails. Every year they line it up with some of the really nicest cars that SEMA offers, all the way back to the Central Hall. I mean, it is just. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Super. That's your BMW?
I know, man. That's
Jared had that.
I didn't have that exact one, but
He had one like it.
it was very similar. That's a 4-door.
Yeah. Joey loves this. I love that. Oh, dude, I would love that. It's so badass, dude. 4-door.
There's a.
Look at that 67 over here, Jared. Twin turbo. 68.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that thing is real nice, dude. That thing is baller. That baby blue with that white interior. Woo. Magnus and supercharger. Front spoiler eats you up. Yeah, cut your grass. Carbon fiber hood, header panel, cowl panel. Look at the suspension in the back. Look at that handbrake on there too. Give it the inside view. That thing is gorgeous, man. I tell you, they never fail to impress.
Very, very cool. That's mean.
It's so neat, dude. Los Angeles, that's a beautiful car. Check out that handbrake in there.
It says you put your coffee.
Yeah, you don't need to have
Down the gullet.
I mean, big pimping right there, dude.
Oh yeah. That is real slick.
I like that. Murder no. That's nice right there, dude. Not a lot of Novas here, man. That's honestly probably the only Nova I've seen. I like it a lot.
Super nice to meet you. I'm glad that I can run into you. Bye, good to meet you too.
That's nice. You don't see a lot of Novas. Yeah. Yeah, that's so pimpy. Real sharp. See, they don't really do bad ever, man. Cambered out? Yeah. Something to do with handling, not hell if I know.
I think so too. I think the Camaro ones are
Roasting. I love it all.
What's this?
What is that? Get in there. Still a lot of the old Air products we have for years. Treat us well.
Whoa.
I don't even know what that is, but I like that.
Joey, what's that?
Joey, what's that?
Mustang? Mustang?
I don't know. I like it. Well, it's a Mustang.
I believe it is.
And if it is, that's one nice car. Bentley? Ring Brothers? I think it's totally close.
That's a Mustang build.
I don't know. It's beautiful. I like it. I would drive that. No doubt about it.
That's what it says to me.
Yeah, I can't tell what it says to me. One of a kind. That's Jimmy. He's been here all day. Whoa. Hey guys. Excellent dropping on one of these cars. Not be good. Dang, man. This is fancy over here. It's doing good. Yeah. I looked at it for a second this morning, and I think that short did good for the SEMA. It's already at like 1,700. Let's go do the back row of these cars too. Yeah. That's some sick cars. Oh, get out of the way. I mean, I don't know what's up with that engine.
Real light gray.
Yeah, look at that.
But I actually was over at Marvel.
Never know what you'll see at the SEMA Show. Dude, it's a ton. Look at this little bad boy. I think it's cool as heck.
Nowhere can you get one good picture of like that. I didn't get a picture of both of them. I gotta send this to you.
I mean,
I drove one of those, man. You did? One of our buddies used to.
Jeff Phillips' brother, I drove one too.
trying to go for that.
Yes, it was. It's pretty cool, honestly. Put sunglasses on. There's a Camaro. Did you get a picture? Very long time.
Roadrunner, Superbird. That's sick.
Yeah, honestly, the originals look too boaty for me. That's a little some kind of hybrid.
Get that sign right there, Jerry.
Actually, should we? Yeah, so let's wait to do it.
We made it, boys.
Yeah.
No,
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Cheers, Owen.
I like the tahini.
Tahini is so good.
Yeah.
Got a little bite on it, a little pica. I'll get rolling here. Check out this 401 Hummer.
Holy cow, what is that?
That's creative. Joey, you're right. That's delicious. I told you that.
6-wheel.
Hey Joey, here's this charger back. I've
you
got
get
it.
some juice out of
Yeah, I've got some juice. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man. I'll charge it up and we'll have it the rest of the week.
I'm gonna try to pick one up if I can find a store that has one.
That 6-wheel Hummer is crazy. I want to go commentate that thing.
Let's go check it out. What does that got, a Hellcat in
Yeah,
it?
you want to? Yeah, go. Tell us what you think about it.
Thing's baller is what I think. I mean, if he's driving that, I'd be jealous. I think he may be driving something like that. Yeah. El General, 6x6.
American ingenuity.
I want to see this on the track.
The sun is killing us right now.
LSX 455.
Yeah.
Still got the down birds on it.
Get some pictures of that.
That's a cool door handle.
Yeah, it's caged. Oh yeah.
Eric. See how you fabricated the gate?
One of the most famous guys on YouTube right now.
Is that right?
It was a bot. This was a. Ben, you ever heard of Whistling Diesel?
Yeah,
That was his old truck, I think.
that is.
I believe so.
I didn't see the purple. Look at that.
I think you should do it. They got that. No, I can't. It's your cup? Ah. Let's miss it.
That thing's sweet.
SEMA, do y'all want to see some more? I said, do y'all want to see some more? Oh man, we got a dog coming out. We got Big Ace. You got that box on the box. Yeah, let's bring it on out, man. Send it. Let's get it.
Got here. Yeah.
What do you think?
That thing's awesome. It's got the same valve covers we got on the 67.
Hey,
A
buddy.
Whipple supercharger. Yeah. 60.